Hello everybody, hello, it's me again, your sister, your friend, Lady J. And if you have not subscribed for my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I post more video, you will be the first person to know. And if I've subscribed before, thank you and God bless you. Before I start this topic, may I quick do a small advert for my hookup. So my hookup is still there. So if you need a responsible man and a responsible woman, just contact Lady J. I'm here for you people. Don't be shy. If you get children before, don't shame. Call me. I go hook you up. I don't hook people up ever since now. So you all not go there different. And if you be man, we be say you don't born finish, or you be woman with don't born finish, you just need man. Maybe you don't get man again. And you will be man, you don't get woman again. So, but you get children, you don't want boy again. So you just want date together like that. So you contact me, I get person for you too. So just contact me, I go hook you up with your match like that. You understand? So just contact me like that. I will do one for you. And if you be a woman, you did Germany here, and you need a responsible man, call me. I'm here for you people. Then if you be a man too, you need woman for Germany, call me too. If you need for Italy, call me, I will hook you up too. If you need for France, call me, I will hook you up too. If you be woman, man, deep France now, just contact me, I go hook you up, don't worry. We better man. We be say you go there with, you go dey happy, you go dey pray for me every day self. Contact me, I will hook you up too. So now I want to talk about my topic today. Ever since I always talk about how men take the treat woman, how woman take the treat man, so but this one now woman wey disappoint man. Now I want to talk about. My people, I go like make una really shook mouth for this one, Make una shook mouth, because what did this girl do? This our brother, good at all. It not good for here. It not good. What did this girl really do to this our brother? It not good. Okay, man, talk the story. This girl, in with this man, they know each other for Nigeria. They date each other come. Then the man come Europe before the woman. So after the man don't come Europe, then they can't try by all means. Make sure say he bring the woman come too. So with the woman, they can't dey here together. Then as they can't come Germany. Everything can they go well. The girl can't get belly for the guy. You understand? So the guy can't make sure say he spend money. Maybe say the girl will say secure a stay for Germany here. Can't do everything for her. Then the girl can't dey here. Everything they go well for two of them. The girl can't born pikin. Everything they go well. So all of a sudden the girl say no want the guy again. He say no want the guy again. Now you can't know say the guy now looking for him. This is the guy will bring you come Europe where you not suffer, you don't even suffer anything. Now you can't leave the guy now say you don't want again now, because the guy now don't look for her now. She can't choose to go follow another person. Like play. Oh, she leave this guy. What did this girl do? Now good thing, my people. What did this girl do? Now good thing. Not be good thing. A guy wait for an adult date each other. I not go join you for this one. Even though maybe I dey here for our women, but I not feel join you because the guy say you see I don't talk about how men they treat women. That's why I'm bringing you on. Come we see talk more. We see stroke mouth for you. What is this guy doing? Whether he good and it's not really good. If not true to not be say I don't hear from the girl, but what you do this our brother is not good, because they're not going to do unto you. How can they get your guy and they put money for this woman head though? He marry him as they marry. He married this woman. This woman can't come Germany now. Can't say na Germany life don't enter him. He can't leave the guy. The guy there waiting for Germany. You not be say even leave maybe when one go there, one go there that side. No, they did together. This girl can't disappoint this our brother. What did this girl do na good thing, my people? For me, not be good thing she do. She not just do away at all. The guy try to even bring you come Europe, but for this, the way they can't treat him, you not just good at all, really. What you do this our brother not just good at all. You not good for a year. You not good when they even talk come out. You know, sometimes they say who get cap, you not get leg. God go give you better man. You go use your hand to throw me. That one where you want go, where you can't go beat Nana. Now that one will come good. What about if that one can't bring your own character to you? See wrong. You not good. Eh? This one, Nana, the way you disappoint this our brother, the thing really pain him. He pay this our brother, not be small. When they able talk to me safe now with pains. You know? You not good. You not good. If na man do this one to woman, all of us go to chat. This one a woman now. Woman, I do this one now. You know good. A guy bring you come say may you not may you still remove your family for suffer. May you come here, may talk for that day so that may him not go follow another woman. Now you can't feel go do this kind of thing to ram. It's not good. You know? Now who hear this one now go if you even fear to even bring a woman come. You could fear. Because if some don't come here, they can't change. Some can't change. Anyway, for that one though, man still talk my own too. He gets some ways they bring woman come. He will come look and say house. He not go and make girlfriend. He not go and make it they come out. He not go and make it know how much they pay children for a year. He not go and make it even know anything about the paying. And it's not good. Really, it's not good. Because you go they collect everything because the girl don't know. But if the girl come wise, you they even reason that one. Now some men where they go they bring woman for Africa. Those ones see the rich where they say they quarrel too. When the girl go that wise, they go say he lie, he not do again. They go say lie, he not do again. Because don't see many he go lock the woman for his house. He don't go green make they come out. I don't know whether I waited this our brother do this girl with her. He don't go no make it evil. He don't go and make you know how much that they pay him. He don't go want make you even know how they say they work out for year. Anything, I ain't go to do everything, go to bring your own account. So when the girl wise, then the girl cower. When she can't know how much that they pay, you can't know how that they work out. It wrong. That be the mistake what some of our men they do, That be the mistake. Una go see better woman for you now. Say na Africa. Now no one for go marry. Africa. Maybe because the girl, maybe you don't feel date time. The one me not like be say he never date time. They go just run go. Or because his sister friend. Maybe like his sister friend when he with his sister go school together. You don't keep get away from him. Hey. You go say na that one now. One when I know that time when go Africa, go marry. He marry finish now, he begin to regret. No love. Because a girl where you not date now. I want a lover. Girl where you not date. Or be all the name of you want go Africa, maybe you go marry. Because the one way they here now, after you don't vandalize and finish, you don't this go around. Who you can't leave him. Who you can't say make you marry him. You can't go Africa, go marry. I'm not saying go Africa, go marry, not good though. It's good. But don't follow any girl for year. Not just follow any girl. You don't say you not just follow. Carry that your John Thomas. Carry and go Nigeria. Maybe you go meet woman for Nigeria. For a year, not just date at all. Because you don't say you not date. Not be done way after you don't vandalize the one with the year. If you don't this go and finish, you can't go Africa, go marry. My dear, we don't need that kind of one again at all. We don't need them. See this our brother now. I feel for her move for what did this woman do move. In the other side, I know too feel for her because so maybe you don't see get for you get for you when you don't date too. You can't leave them. Or because of the one with the Africa. make you go marry and come. You marry and come finish now, you can't deal with him. You can't deal with him. So my brother, me you take out. My people, make una advice and make you take out because it don't happen. It don't happen. You not to need advice like that. You just make it talk and make our men make the thing get sense too to go Africa, go marry. Say you must get your woman for a year where you go marry, where you go love. Not be Africa, be everything. You go use the money marry my company, you can't leave you. I must pay you. But for a year, Nana, you just will you marry me? Yeah, he go say yes. Man go suffer marry for a year. Do everything. If I don't want to go Africa, I still go. Now understand? Now that one I say make I talk to the topic in make una help me advise this our brother to make it take cards, you know. It don't happen. It don't happen. We don't go people go force the girl say make you come back. But what did she do? Na good thing. Now say make I ask una whether na good thing or na bad thing. Now you do am. So make una leave una comment for the comment section. In go see am and in go hear am. Thank you everybody, and I remain your sister, your friend, Lady J. Thank you, and God bless you people. Continue to share this video for me and continue to subscribe. Continue to like my video. Continue to like my page. And God will continue to bless you people for me. Thank you for my subscribers. Thank you everybody. I love all of una. Una too much. Bye.